Welcome to another vlog of Equatours. Ingo here. How are you doing? This time from Argentina and Chile. We started our journey in Buenos Aires. We are on a grand tour with some guests from Austria, United Kingdom and Sweden. We started this fantastic journey in Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina.
Well, with our last secret ingredient in the oil, which are the... I'm gonna use some of this. Any ideas? Okay. Right, remember, it's like who goes there? Who?
Let's go. Let's go.
The deconstructed.
Okay, they're gonna be judged by the chef in the kitchen after being baked, so you have to remember that.
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri, alright?
Then we headed over to wine country. Tasted some beautiful Malbec wines in the wine region of Mendoza at the foot of the mighty Aconcagua.
Champagne will have to do fermentation, secondary fermentation will take place in the bottle.
Then crossing the Andes all the way down to the capital of Chile, Santiago de Chile. Morning.
Morning.
¿Cómo es el nombre?
Azúcar.
Azúcar. Azúcar.
Azúcar, mira. Mira la cámara, azúcar.
Mira, 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 mira. As you do, more wine tasting in the Maipo Valley. Absolutely beautiful area. This time, obviously, we're not drinking Malbec. We're tasting the local grape, the Carmener. Miguel y Rodrigo. Mal Kettenöl. This morning we flew all the way from Santiago up to Calama.
Relax.
And now we are in San Pedro de Atacama, in the Atacama Desert, here bordering Bolivia. You see the mighty volcanoes, which we're gonna visit over the next couple of days. We go up swimming in the geysers, we're gonna swim in lagoons, we're gonna visit the Valle de la Luna this afternoon, so stay tuned. I keep you posted. From here, I've got another highlight. We're gonna head south to Chile. Well, follow me and be a part of the journey.
The dolphin show.
Hola.
Ja, dan spreekt ik dan weer spulstellen.
¿Qué tal? Well guys, here we are in the Valle de la Luna. morning, guys. We are here up on the El Tatio on 4,360 meters. Obviously we need to pay a little entry fee and then off we go into the site. It's about -6 degrees, but the sun will be coming out very soon. What a day.
Liberation under pressure tienen distinto tiempo de
Den här platsen är fantastisk. En av 3 i världen. Yellowstone and one in Russia. Here. Ball to be won.
Yeah.
Step in.
Lars, how is breakfast?
Exciting.
Look, eggs, palta. Lisa's trying some palta.
Muy bien.
Are the hands warmed up now?
Feet are frozen.
No, mi mamá me lo cortó.
Und schmeckt das?
Und gut.
Ein Marmorküchle, 4.300.
Gewaltig. Das Mama.
Oder Manu?
Und ein Kaffee, super.
Guayanaco. Well guys, we're back from El Tatio. What a fantastic sight. It's absolutely breathtaking up there, literally. And at altitude 4,360 meters. Highly recommended. Anyway, just have a little break and then off for our next excursion. We're gonna go to the Laguna Cejar. Enjoy the footage. See you in a bit.
But to me, it came from the other side. Oh, sorry, you are? You speak Portuguese? You're Brazil or? Oh, okay.
Austria.
Austria.
Lars!
Here. Dead Sea is the same. The Dead Sea?
Yeah.
Ahí viene. ¿Quién falta? ¿Por acá? Yes. Entonces todos quieren pisco. Everybody wants pisco. Not the juice.
Alright everybody, we are back in the capital of Chile, Santiago. We just had lovely days down in the south, beginning of Patagonia in Puerto Varas. Welcome to Puerto Varas, guys. Puerto Varas is located in the Lake District, about 1,500 kilometers from Santiago. Down in Puerto Varas, we stayed in a nice hotel, the shore of the lake Llanquihue. Llanquihue is about 850 square kilometers big. Very nice lake. So loads of activities you can do down there, from swimming, boating, cycling. Anyway, we had a blast down there. Went up to Osorno volcano. Check this out. Afterwards we went to the Petruhe waterfalls as well in the Lake Todos los Santos, bordering Argentina. Have you been here before? And now everything comes to an end. We had an amazing trip throughout Argentina and Chile, and highly recommend. So if you want to do this tour or a similar tour, get in touch. Equatours means bespoke travel below the equator. We are specialists. Send us an email, send us questions, leave a comment, give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you want. And I see you in the next video. All the best. Greetings from Chile, from Santiago de Chile. Bye bye.